That was a nice walleye.
Yeah, that was. It's like probably as good as mine.
Oh, I'm on.
Oh, nice!
Oh, the action has started! Welcome to Conjuring Rock, where we enjoy all-season camping and fishing.
Come on in.
We're on a back lake in eastern Ontario today, and we're going for some walleye. We've got about like 4.5 to 5 inches of ice, and Ben's kind of freaking out because of how many holes we have drilled in the tent here.
It's only 3, but I mean...
This is like, we're inexperienced using a tent, and we keep hearing these cracks. And
God!
Totally looks like you're about to drop a rap album. So we keep hearing the ice making those sounds that it makes when it expands.
Oh, it's making sounds.
And it's freaking Ben out.
It felt like it punched me in the butt.
He just like jumped right off his seat, was about to jump out of the tent.
Yeah, you're on. Stand up, stand right up, and keep the tension.
Oh, Haley's on.
Keep the tension on him.
Yeah. Let you rod fight him. Try and pull it. Yeah. Haley's on.
It's okay, go for it. You're good.
Oh, it's a good walleye. That's a walleye.
That's a beautiful walleye, really.
Yeah, babe.
Wow.
Here,
wow.
take the camera, bro.
Nice.
Yeah. Good job, sweetheart.
Wow.
We need the bump board.
Guys, I didn't know we were going to catch walleye. I had no idea.
Look at that.
Let me get the light in here.
Here, we got that camera there. That's your first walleye, isn't it?
My very first walleye, yep.
That's awesome.
That's a nice walleye.
Nice.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
That is awesome, sweetheart. Good for you.
Well, he's cool.
Awesome, guys.
Okay, I need a new head.
The problem is when you drop one back down the hole.
Yeah. I'll get you a head, babe.
Was that on the buckshot too?
Yep.
That was a nice walleye.
Yeah, that was. It's like probably as good as mine.
Oh, I'm on.
Oh, nice.
Oh, the action has started.
Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one.
Do you want a hand guiding it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
That's a bass.
Oh, it's a bass?
We gotta
Yeah,
get
that's
that guy back.
Yeah. I was not ready. I was sitting down.
That always happens, I swear to God. Hey, can you double jig here? Because I want to get some peanuts out.
Pow, pow, pow.
So much of
Fastest rods in the West.
I'm gonna brave the storm.
Good luck out there, buddy.
Check the tip up.
Oh, I'm on. Benny is on.
I'm on a good one too.
Nice.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. It's a decent walleye.
Nice. Good one.
Yeah, man.
On that glow buckshot.
Oh, yeah. Awesome.
Yeah.
Nice.
I like that thing.
That was sweet.
Yeah. Cool. Let's get down there. The bite might be turning on. So Benny's actually trying to cook a hot dog with the buddy heater. It's sizzling.
It's working, man.
It is working. That's awesome. I mean, we have a stove. We could just use the stove, but where's the fun? Oh, he just lost half his wiener. So we were just packing up here, and Ben went to pull up the tip up.
It's huge, man. That's a big perch.
That is a huge perch. Look at that. Wow. He's gonna go back though. Let's get him in before he freezes.
Dude, I
out
couldn't
here.
believe it.
Okay, well, we had a really good day out on the water. We used the hut for the first time.
I got my first walleye.
Very first walleye.
Nice one too. We got a cool perch on the tip up that we didn't know about. So that's pretty neat.
Yeah, that was a really good last minute surprise. Anyways, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet and want to see more, and we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.